So do you also have a bunch of these extra papers that have been hanging around longer than they ought to? These are scraps from these all sorts of different lined papers. Hi, I'm Cindy. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to figure out what to do with all of this. So I apologize for my lighting. This is it's fairly dark day today, and I'm actually filming this in the evening, and it has been raining all day here in the Finger Lakes, which I absolutely love because we so much need it. Now, I do have these little thin strips, and I'm not using the thin strips today. I'm setting those aside because those are a little bit too thin for the project I have in mind today. So I'm just kind of pulling out all these thin ones that have kind of gotten a little bent over the time. They do have a purpose, but mostly these go in as collage or just as a background on a tag or something. So I don't want those. What I do want are these thicker ones. And so I'm going to start pulling all of those out of this mess. And there are lots of styles and types and just pieces. I also have some here that are more of a square type, so I'm going to put those over there. These are just, I guess I'll put those over in that pile. That goes there. This goes here. So what we're going to do, I have a piece of tissue paper stuck in there, is take these and we're going to make some cool booklets out of them. I will show you shortly what I'm talking about. Still just kind of going through and grabbing pieces. Yeah, I guess we'll stick that one there. But can you believe, I mean, look at how many I have. And all these thin ones that I'm just throwing over there. Okay. Let's see, what all don't I need? So I think I've gotten out all of the pieces maybe that I want. Just looking to see if there's any last few little pieces here. There's one right there. That's a nice big thick one. Okay, so all of this is going back into my little pencil case here, that a former pencil case. Oh, there's another good piece. Oh, wait, I've got, oh, I don't know, that looks like it might be folded up already. Got some more here. See, you start picking things up, you don't know what you might find. I think we'll throw all those there. We'll put, oh, there's another long one. And we're going to put all of these away. Okay, pausing while I put up. Okay, that was quick, at least for you. So I've cleaned up all my pieces. I'm putting those back over to my side, and I have really a bunch of piles here of some really cool little pieces. So what I'm going to do with them, because normally you would, just probably get rid of these. I know a lot of people just toss them. But look at how many cool things are in here. I like that piece. I'm going to put that one on top. And all I'm doing is really putting them all together. And then I want to put a little something over the top. Let me grab my other. These are my very little scraps. And I'm that are falling apart. Obviously that's too big and it needs fixing. So I have these, I have a little bit of graph paper on top, and that's a little graph paper left over. So I'm just going to take all of that. I'm going to, okay, that wasn't exactly straight, but it's okay. And now I have a little notepad that I can put into a junk journal. That can clip right onto the top of a page. Let me grab I've got a journal right here that I'm working on. I could take that put that right on top of a page with a paper clip, and it's perfect. So there's one done. That was quick. Very easy. Now let's see what we've got here. Now these, I like that orange. I think I'm going to put that orange on top. Now if you notice, all my lines go the wrong way, because these are all just scraps out of other pieces. So I'm going to actually pull that one out, because I don't think that one fits as well. I'm going to put that one in here because I want a little bit longer piece in the back. Maybe I'll put this really wide piece in the back. And then put you guys in here. That's a nice little frill, but so maybe I want that in the front. There we go. Maybe I want that in the front. There we go. So yeah, the lines go the wrong way, so but that's okay, because people can pull them out and use them. And really, they're definitely designed. I'm only putting one. I got that one a little bit better. And I didn't put another doodad on this one. I probably could have, but I didn't put another doodad on there because I've got that there and I want that to be pretty. But they're designed so that you can just then go rip off a page and use it. So this is a Mass Make Monday, and I am just kind of pulling out things that I've got some square ones here, and I'm trying to find some other square ones in this pile because I know I had a bunch. There's a bigger piece of square and another piece of square. That one has an 8 on the back of it. I don't know if I want to use it or not. That's a nice big piece. That was from I don't know, something. Let's hide you. I'm gonna put you up in there. And just kind of a couple of blanks. I think we'll just go with this. They don't have to be the same, obviously the same length, but they don't even have to have the same number in it. This one has 5 pages. Some of the others have 6. But I do want to put something at the top of this one. Let's find, there's a pretty piece of green at the top of this one. And this one, because it's wider, I will put 2 in there. There. Okay, that's 3. How long have we been doing this? Not very long. That's tiny. And so I don't know if I want to use it for this. There's another, actually these kind of go get all right together. I like these. There's another piece of tiny. What else do I have here? Another piece of tiny. That one's kind of wide. It's a little bit wider than the others, but I like the fact that it's a little bit different. And that looks very similar to the green underneath it. So I think I want to go ahead and use it. Let's get them all lined up there. I'm going to be a little fussy here and just pull that over. Ta-da! Done. Okay, what else do I have here? This one is a folded piece of paper that I think I want to save for a different project. I have this white. Okay, these kind of don't seem to have a space. Let's go to the tall ones here. So I've got some long ones here, and the thing with the long ones, these are all the same. These are running this way, which is cool. So let me grab all the ones that are running that way, and I might just throw a bunch of the ones that are running that way together. This one's too long, so we'll cut that one down in a minute. Because the ones that are too long, and then I have one here that's, all right, I think we'll just go with this. Let's just stick a little. Do I want a little one up there? Oh, here. There we go. Just a little bit of purple. Now I could there's no reason I can't do a little bit of it, let's go a little fancy. We'll put a little extra piece in there too. There, clip the whole thing together. But now, like I said, that's a little bit too long, so I'm just going to grab this, cut it off there. Now I have another piece for that one. Ta-da! Oh, I was going to do that. Well, that's all right. Let's do this. This is going to also be too long, so let's cut that right about there. And I like having this one on top. This is a little bit too long. Because I want them to be able to go into the journal and not hang out the bottom of the journal. That's what I mean when I say it might be a little bit too long. But I'll do it this way, so there's a little bit of difference here. This one's going to be a little bit bigger one because I want to use up all these pieces. Okay, and then I want to cut that one right about there. So I have that goes in the back, this goes in the back, and then this one goes over the top. All right, let's get that all lined up. Now, do I want to put, I've got this little bit of purple. Oh my glory, I don't think I like that purple together. What else do I have over here? I have all these different things. I got a little bit of, there we go. Just a little bit of yellow, I think. Done. Let's put that back in here. Okay, so what do I have left over here? Anything that I can make out of? I got one there. There's not much left of that particular page, but there's some. There we go. Look at there. We managed to make another one. I'm going to move that over, and I'm going to move this one in here. And do I want that one? Maybe I'll put that back there. There we go. Oh, I have another piece of white here. Let's throw that one in here. I'll tell you, it takes longer to get them when you decide you want them a specific way. Like right now, they're all kind of over on that side, and I'm thinking I want to pull that over a little bit. I'll pull this over a little bit. I want to pull that over a little bit. Okay, pull those two things over a little bit. Okay. And then this time I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm just going to fold that over the top. And, no, I definitely want to go this way. Okay, got to trim that up because that's just a little bit too much off kilter. There we go. There. And then, come on, everybody go down. Done. So I have a few to stick back into my pouch. Not very many, but look how many I got rid of. Oh, I cleaned out this pouch. I am so glad. It gives me more room. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little notepads that can now easily go into a journal just made out of those scraps of paper that have been hanging around, those lined scraps, for such a long time. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the like button to let YouTube know that you are enjoying them, and click the bell for notifications because you never know when the next one might come out. Till later, happy Monday. This is Cindy signing off.